If you feel like your LinkedIn reach has dropped off a cliff this year, you are not alone. It's very clear that this isn't anecdotal, it isn't personal, and it isn't because we've suddenly got it all wrong. Independent research shows that organic reach on LinkedIn has significantly declined across the board in 2025, even for people doing everything right. So let's look at the numbers behind the drop, and we'll start with the data. Analysis shows that average organic reach is down by 40 to 50% year on year. Engagement has dropped by roughly 25%. Follower growth has slowed by over 40% for many people. And this isn't just affecting smaller creators. Accounts with 50,000 followers or more are seeing views drop from around 15,000 to closer to 2,000. And those experiencing engagement declines of 50 to 60% too. Company pages have been hit even harder, no surprise there, with some even seeing organic reach as low as 1 to 2% of their follower base. So if your numbers look worse than they did a year ago, that's not a failure on your part. It's a platform-wide recalibration. So why is this happening? The key point here is LinkedIn has not broken organic reach. It has redefined what earns it. The feed is now far more selective because more content is being published than ever. Most LinkedIn users is now mobile first, meaning faster scrolling and less dwell time. And the platform is prioritizing relevance over distribution. In simple terms, then LinkedIn can no longer show everyone everything. So instead of rewarding effort or frequency, it's rewarding clarity, relevance, and interaction quality. That's why good posts can still underperform and why posting more often doesn't solve the problem. What reach is now measuring is the part that trips most of us up. Reach is no longer a popularity metric, it's a confidence signal. LinkedIn is asking, do we understand who this person is for? Do others engage with them meaningfully? And are they part of relevant conversations? If the answer isn't clear, the system simply limits distribution. This is also why you'll see uneven performance. One post might land well, the next might almost disappear. The platform is testing certainty, not consistency. When reach drops, most people react in one of three ways. They post more often, they change their content style every week, or they assume LinkedIn is working against them. All three responses make the problem worse. They introduce noise, dilute clarity, and make it harder for LinkedIn to categorize you accurately. The real solution isn't to fight the drop in reach, it's to understand what reach now represents. Organic reach on LinkedIn hasn't disappeared, it's just become far more intentional. The platform is no longer amplifying activity, it's amplifying meaning. And once you understand, the numbers start to make sense again.